Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A4 front wing. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the handbrake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Gather tools, ratchet set, trim tools, and a jack if wheel removal is needed. Work in daylight or use good lighting so fasteners and clips are visible. Keep parts organized in labeled containers to speed reassembly and reduce mistakes. Prepare by laying out your tools and supplies within arm's reach. Remove the wheel if it gives better access to inner arch liners and clips. Loosen fasteners in a logical order, noting locations and types of each screw or clip. Use plastic trim tools to pop stubborn clips without scratching paint. Keep a magnetic tray handy to collect bolts and start a small bag for reused parts to ensure nothing goes missing. Start removal by loosening the wheel arch liner to reveal bumper and wing bolts. Carefully remove fasteners along the top edge of the wing and under the bumper, keeping bolts grouped by position. If side indicators or wiring are present, disconnect them before fully removing the wing. With a helper, ease the wing outward while checking for hidden clips or catches to prevent paint chips. Set the wing on soft padding to protect the finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.